In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can find a mentor on Facebook. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So guys, if you didn't already know, Facebook has now got a mentorship section, and I want to show you how this works today. So first of all, what you need to do is come over to Facebook and open up the app on your mobile device. And then once you've opened up Facebook, obviously you will be on your newsfeed. From here, what you want to do is click on the menu icon in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead, click on the three lines at the top right and then scroll down a little bit until you see more. Go ahead and select that. And then once you've selected see more, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see an option there for mentorship under live videos. So just go ahead, click on mentorship. And then what you will be presented with is this page here. So if you want to go ahead and find a mentor on Facebook, all you need to do is click on find a mentor. And then you'll be presented with this page here. So you want to go ahead and search for the relevant industry that you're in. So what you can do is you can search for a topic that you do want to go ahead and get a mentor for. So as you can see, the most common there are at the top. So if you want it to be in time management, networking, health, anything like that, I'm going to go ahead and click on health for this example here. So once you've clicked on health, a lot of mentors will come up that have got a lot of time and experience in this field. So all you need to do is scroll down and find someone that does suit your needs. So for instance, if I want to go ahead and choose this lady here, what I would do is start a conversation, and then all you need to do is obviously go ahead and go through the process with her herself. And then after that, she will be able to start mentoring you if that's what you want. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.